Hello everyone, my name is Chen Yuzhen. I want to introduce add fuel to the fire, add fuel to the fire, and again needs the clock. Add fuel to the fire, English means cause a session or conflict to become more intense. This is a bad word. Chinese means 火上加油，意指在人家落难时却又给予不适当的帮助、挞伐。火上加油。Another, against the clock. English means against the time and as fast as possible. Chinese means 分秒必争，意指每一分每一秒都很珍贵，要去争取到，有危急必须快速处理的意思。Okay, thank you everyone.